Are you looking for a practical, natural, and effective solution to transform your masculine health? Imagine a life with more energy, well-being, and confidence, free from constant worries about prostate health or the discomforts that affect so many men. The good news is that this transformation is within your reach with Total Control 24, TC24, a supplement specially formulated to meet your masculine health needs. Don't wait any longer. Click the link below in the video description and discover how TC24 can be the solution you've been searching for. Many men face silent challenges related to prostate health, especially after the age of 40. Issues like frequent urination, sleepless nights due to the constant need to go to the bathroom, pelvic discomfort, and even low energy might seem normal, but they don't have to be your reality. Total Control 24 was designed to change this scenario. It combines powerful natural ingredients that work directly on prostate health, helping to relieve the most common symptoms. With it, you can reduce nighttime trips to the bathroom, improve urinary flow, and most importantly, regain your peace of mind. It's like giving your masculine health the care it truly deserves every day. But TC24 doesn't stop there. Beyond taking care of prostate health, it also fulfills the desire of many men to live a more energetic and active life. With its carefully developed formula, this supplement helps balance hormone levels and improve blood circulation, resulting in greater vitality, more energy for daily activities, and even better physical and mental performance. Imagine the freedom to enjoy your day with vigor, without constant fatigue or worries. It's like having an ally by your side, helping you achieve your best state of health. See what Jack has to say about his experience with TC24.
I was living a nightmare. I would wake up several times during the night to go to the bathroom, feel constant discomfort in the prostate area, and worst of all, I was always tired, with no energy for anything. This routine destroyed my confidence and even left me feeling depressed because I didn't have the energy to enjoy time with my family. That's when I discovered Total Control 24 through the internet, and I can honestly say it completely changed my life. Within just a few weeks, I noticed my trips to the bathroom decreased, and I was finally able to get restful nights of sleep again. Gradually, the discomfort disappeared and my energy started coming back. Today, I feel like a new man, full of energy, vitality, and renewed confidence. If you're going through this too, I highly recommend trying Total Control 24. It was the best decision I've ever made to take care of my health and regain my quality of life.
If you've made it this far, it's because you know your health can't wait. Total Control 24 offers a reliable and risk-free solution. With a 60-day satisfaction guarantee, you can try the benefits without worry. It's time to invest in yourself and in the future of your health. Don't miss the chance to transform your quality of life in a natural and safe way. Click the link below in the video description and get your Total Control 24 now. Your health, energy, and confidence deserve this special care.